My days have kind of been looking a lot like this recently. I'm constantly feeling like there's never enough hours in the day, and I just feel completely out of routine. Back to school is right around the corner, and I really wanted to do something drastic to get my routine together. So what better routine to try than the viral 5 a.m. That Girl morning routine? So in this video, I will be waking up at 5 a.m., implementing some healthy habits, and testing out, is it worth it? People do this? How do people do this? 5:08. Pretty good. I try to stay off my phone for the first like 30 minutes. By the way, look at my cute case. This video is sponsored by Casetify. We'll talk more about them very soon. So I'm gonna leave it over here today. Okay, I'll count it through. We're getting up. No. Something that unites almost every 5 a.m. morning routine I've seen is making your bed first thing, which is something I like to do anyways, because even if I can get nothing else on my to-do list done for that day, at least I've made my bed. If I can't be in bed, at least I can be cozy. Immediately after, I head into the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face, which I feel like for 5 a.m. is essential because the water really helped to wake me up. I think 5 a.m. morning routines could sound really intense, but if you think about it, it's just extra time dedicated to small tasks like washing your face, basically just having a little bit of extra time to do things that are nice for yourself. Suddenly, it doesn't seem as scary. As comfy as I currently am, I think I'm gonna put on like a little active set to kind of just signal to my brain to getting this day going. We're waking up. Ever since I like washed my face and kind of just got out of bed, even just making my bed, I feel more awake. I'm still feeling a little bit like, where am I? Okay, I don't have any actual lemons, but I do have lemon juice from Trader Joe's. One thing I'm really bad about is drinking my coffee before I have anything else in my system, so I'm also gonna eat some food. This is your reminder that food is fuel and you deserve to fuel yourself and enjoy the food that you eat. This morning I decided to make one of my favorite chia seed puddings. Once I had some food and water in my stomach, I also had my coffee, which is definitely one of those little morning joys for myself that just makes getting out of bed so much easier. Now we're supposed to go on our phone. Gonna read a little. I'm usually on my phone whenever I eat breakfast, so it was actually so nice just sitting with myself and listening to the birds while I read my book. Especially as somebody with ADHD, I definitely feel like staying off my phone this early morning definitely made the biggest difference because I felt so centered, felt like I could really hear my thoughts, and I think it just started my day off so much better than immediately scrolling on TikTok for hours and hours. I have these little ice ball things. I don't know what they're filled with. Even though I feel like I'm more awake now, my face is still feeling very like puffy and a little bit of sleep. So I'm gonna see if this helps. Oh my god, they're so cold. Wow. I get it. It feels so refreshing. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I might look ridiculous, but it feels good. Grabbing my phone back because I'm gonna go do like a little workout, but I wanted to show you guys my case. Look how cute it is. And this video today is sponsored by Casetify. I absolutely love Casetify's cases. They're the case that I trust the most to protect my phone, and they also just have so many cute styles to choose from. I love this print. I think the little clear peekaboo heart is so cute, and I just love how like minimalistic and dainty it is. I also have these other cases, this one with the little bows on it, and then this one with the little like sheriffs and the bow. Are you kidding me? They're literally all so cute, and I just feel like this roundup is so perfect for me. The clear cases are also optimized to prevent yellowing. They have long-lasting clarity, and they are made from plant-based and recycled materials, all from the Ballet Core collection, which is just the cutest collection ever. You can use my link casetify.com/ggmw to enjoy a 10% off discount for a limited time only, and make sure to check out the link in my description. Thank you so much, Casetify, for sponsoring this video. So I'm going to a Taylor Swift cycling class. Cycling has been so fun. Literally doesn't even feel like a workout. It just feels like I'm going into this dark room. All of a sudden Taylor Swift is blaring in my ears and I'm like dancing to the music as I'm cycling, and it's just so fun. My little sunnies. I want to get back. I want to do some journaling, get ready for the day, do some other little things. So let's go to cycling. Actually, I need you. Come on. It's so important to find a type of movement that you love because moving your body shouldn't feel like torture. If you don't like the gym, don't go to the gym. Find a dance class, a walking route you enjoy, or maybe a Swiftie cycling class. I always feel so good after moving my body. It helps to clear my head and always just leaves me in the best mood, and doing it in the morning just makes my day that much better. So this was definitely a big plus of waking up at 5 a.m. All summer I've been wanting to go to our farmer's market and I never felt like I had time, but since we woke up at 5 a.m. today, I finally had the time to stock up on a couple little things, including some maple syrup, some flowers, and some tomatoes that were literally the best tomatoes I've ever had in my life. I feel so good. It's only like 11, which is so nice. I feel like usually I'm just getting going with my day. I'm gonna do some makeup because I want to go out for like a little walk. I've been like starting to transition into my fall makeup, which I'm really excited for. Maybe a little premature, but I'm still very excited. And I've been using this color from Saie. It's the Glow Sculpt Bronze Glow. I kind of ruined my hair in my workout class. Makeup's all done. Okay, next on our list, I want to do a little bit of journaling, but I think I'm going to combine it with my little hawker walk and go sit in a park and do those things. So let's go. I like never journal, but I just wrote out these journal prompts and I'm gonna sit here a little bit longer and do them myself. I feel like a lot of that girl morning routines include journaling, which is just something I almost never do because I don't know, it kind of intimidates me for some reason, so I just don't do it. I'm trying to come up with more of a reason than that, but that's really it. But I'm trying it today. So the little journal prompts that I wrote out that you're welcome to try too are 3 favorite memories from this summer, something I'm proud of myself from this summer, something that challenged me this summer, my favorite summer meal this year, my favorite summer drink this year, and one thing I learned this summer. I'm gonna sit here and keep thinking about that a little bit. Okay, I just got back from the park. It's like noonish now, and I'm gonna be running errands just the rest of the day and getting some stuff ready for some back to school content I have coming up. Definitely subscribe because I'm very excited about what's coming. I wanted to do a little rerun of today and kind of give my final thoughts on waking up at 5 a.m. First of all, I feel like I've already gotten so much done today. Which I guess I knew was gonna happen and is definitely a feeling I could get used to. Fun fact, I used to actually wake up at 5 like all the time when I was in middle school. Like, I don't know what was up with me, but I just really enjoyed my morning time by myself in the mornings in middle school, and so I would always set my alarm for 5 to make sure I had like 2 hours before I had to get on the bus to wake up and like have a little morning breakfast with myself. I feel way less tired than I thought I would. I thought I would be really sleepy. Right now, I feel like amazing. I feel super energized and ready for the day to come. Like just in a good mood. I feel like little things that we did, like no phone, having food before I drank my coffee. Even just journaling now is really nice and is not something I ever do. So I feel good. Like I'm feeling, I don't know if I could keep this up. I don't know if I could wake up at 5 every day. It was a struggle, but I don't know. I feel like I might want to try to just start waking up around 6 or 7. Anyway, I love you all so much. I hope that you very much enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Casetify down below, and thank you again so much, Casetify, for sponsoring this video. I mean, look how cute. Look how cute. Here for the case again, it's so cute. Yeah, I'm gonna go run some errands now. Have a productive day, and I will see you in my next video. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Mwah.